guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be about me and what I got for my SI. So I bought a few things that I wanted to do videos for. I'm gonna probably split these videos up into 3 videos. If not, I'll probably morph them together, but who knows until I actually post this. So I bought the Aero flap for my wing spoiler. As I mentioned in the previous video that I wanted to do that. I'm going to show you guys the whole process and how I do it. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and support your girl. Don't be a ghost. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I do custom sneakers. I'm a shoe customizer and I customize on Air Force Ones, Nikes, Crocs, Nike slides, etc. Anything that has leather on, I could pretty much do. I also have a website by the name of www.jcreates.com. You guys can order through there, or you can hit me up for a custom order of any design that is not posted on my website, and I'd be able to do it for you guys. Just hit me up. Don't be afraid to ask questions and all that. Today is nice out, as you guys can see. Look at that. Look at those freaking clouds. Right, you guys, so I had this sitting in my back seat while I did that video. So I have the, I don't know how to say it, maybe the Carus or the Carus or the Carus design Aero flap for my spoiler. So this is what it looks like. It's really big. I've been wanting to get this for the longest, but they've been out of stock for a while, so I finally got my hands on it. Alright, so it came with some, I was actually worried about this because I didn't feel like going to the store, but it comes with some 3M tape, which is good because we're going to use this to lock down the Aero flap. It comes with this protection plastic over it, just to, you know, ensure that the product comes very nice and neat when you get it. So I'm going to gently remove that. So I know it's hard to see because it's black and it's sunny out in this video, but this is what it looks like. So I kind of like that it has the their brand on it. It says, you know, their brand right here. This is gonna be shown in the back of the Aero flap. Alright, to prep, I'm gonna be taking a rag and some water and just gently cleaning the whole surface. You guys can take water and alcohol or just plain alcohol, but make sure that the area is 100% clean and free of any dirt or oils before you go ahead and apply this Aero flap. Y'all, I'm so mad. My Target's tripod, literally, like, y'all can't see it, but the metal piece that's supposed to go on top, it got stuck in my camera. So we're gonna have to fix that. But I'm not gonna be able to show you guys a view like pretty much standing up. I'm gonna have to hold the camera, I guess, but we'll make it work. So just clean it really good. Again, you could use water or alcohol. I'm using water because I know I could clean it good. So, and then dry it up right after. The way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna put this Aero flap on the wing, you know, just for practice, and I'm gonna align it up to where that the tape is gonna go. So you see where the back red light is of my car? This is how I'm gonna measure it. So I'm gonna basically like put this, make sure that this is in the middle of here so that it's even on both sides. All right, so I put this on and I didn't press it down all the way, but I just want to show you guys a quick, you know, how I'm gonna pretty much do this on the whole Aero flap area. All right, so I have this side here already, right? And I'm gonna be putting this probably on this side all the way down and doing the same thing here that I did over here on there. And I might do a line over here as well, just so it's really like on there, because I don't want this to go anywhere. Alright, so I know you guys can see from over there. So I have the 3M tape on this side and I have it on this side. Now I'm going to be doing this and definitely this side, but we're gonna see if we have enough for the front as well. All right, y'all, so I finally finished all of the 3M tape. I had to space them out because they did not give me enough for the whole thing, but it's okay because I measured everything correctly, and I did practice putting this on just to see how it would look. And you really don't see the 3M tape, which is a great thing, but I'm gonna show you guys on camera what it looks like. My camera's about to die, so you might see some iPhone footage, but you know what, it's okay. But so I'm just gonna line it up. Make sure y'all do this before you really like apply it, because you can fix any, you know, any like mistakes or anything that needs to be changed. You can fix it right away. All right, you guys, so it's finally time. I finally took off all the tape on the 3M tape. Say hello to my cat. Gorgeous. She be watching me while I do my car shit. So this is what the Aero flap is looking like on my car. It looks gorgeous, you guys. I finally have the rear spoiler and the Aero flap together. It looks mad good. So this is it from this view, and this is what it looks like from this view. So as you guys can see, I hope you guys can tell why I want this black, you know, this spoiler black, because it will match so perfect.